Welcome back. It is day 10 of the 30-mile walk challenge in November, and we're by a lake. So All Trails gave me this trail, and All Trail has somebody walking through the lake. I'm gonna see like where we are, because I have no clue this lake even existed or this town. I think we're in Vass. That scared me. They have this pretty. Look at that. Oh my gosh. 101. Look at all that damage. There's tiny bugs on the outside and inside of my car. I did 0.5 miles here, which I'm actually surprised. So now we're on the second walk. And down the little walk, I did a mile. So in total, I walked 1.6 miles today.